guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kash. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do your lash extensions at home. First, I'm going to let you guys know what you're going to need. I've been using the trio lashes because they are so much easier than the single. These are not my preferred lashes, but these are the only ones that I can find. I just got the Eyelash trios. Again, they're not the best, but I make it work, so you can pretty much get whatever you want. You can get it from Amazon or you can get it from Walgreens. The glue that I use is the Ardell. I always use the dark one because one makes the lash look fuller in my opinion, and also two, it dries black, you know? And then a tweezer. Okay, because you're gonna need something to hold and tweeze it up. So there's two ways that you can put your lashes on. You can put it on top of your lashes or you can put it under your lashes. I put mine on the top. It's just, I feel like that lasts a little bit longer. These come with short and medium. So I'm gonna use this that came with the lash and just put my lash glue on there. I'm gonna try to keep my head straight so that you can see me, see what's going on. So first I'm gonna start with the front. I don't put it like, I don't start where my lashes start. My lashes, my natural lash start right here. And I'm gonna start the lash like right here. I'm gonna take the lash like this so that it's gonna be easy to put on. It's just gonna stick it on there. I'm gonna dip it into the glue. So now that there is a little bit of glue on there. That's one so far. But you see what I mean? I don't start it all the way at the beginning. I like to jump around sometimes and like create like an outline for myself. So I'm gonna put one in the middle and then one at the end. Really, you don't have to do that. So for the middle, I'm gonna put a medium because I like to have that like flare. So you see that? I'm gonna show you guys. There's like a little gap right here. And I'm gonna fill another lash in there. Okay, so I'm just trying to like push it up because I keep using that word flare, but I want it to have flare. Alright, so I hope you guys liked this video. I hope it was very informative for you. And the way I sleep is like this, but I also go like this sometimes and rub all on my face. Just make sure that you try not to get them wet, and they will last for, you know, like at least 2 weeks. Sometimes even more, depending on if you can take care of them. So that is how you do your lash extensions at home. Please give this a thumbs up and comment down below. Hit the subscribe button, and it don't cost you a thing.